Took another pinky here, man. Awesome. Great wee eater. Here, and this wee guy took 2 pinkies there. Must have needed it. The first pinky was a decent size, but the second pinky was a bit small, so that's why I gave him it.
Sounds as if he's up in his game.
He's up in his game, alright. He's not really putting on a lot of weight, so he's not. So, look at that. Munchy, munchy. Brilliant wee eater. Oh, I tried feeding him for about 4 weeks solid, man. Every 3 or 4 days. Ended up having to throw about 9 pinkies out, man. Michaela, can you turn that down a bit? Please. Just a bit. There you go, that's that down the hatch. Awesome.
Daddy, now it's time for the little man.
I love the way they puff up, man. They always puff up and make themselves look bigger. I love it. Oh, that was a good wee feed from that wee guy there. So, I think that's the end of the video. But that's the albino Anaconda Western Hognose. And he's a male. And he was born in 2015. I think it was late 2015. So anyway, that's it. So, see you later. Bye bye.